Kyle Bradshaw here, and today I want to save your wrist when riding down the highway. This here is the iCruz from Avon. Now these bikes are a throttle by cable, not by wire, and there is not cruise control on this bike, so I like to run this iCruz. So this is an extremely simple device that's going to give you cruise control or throttle lock functionality on your motorcycle. What we're going to do is take this little sleeve right here and we're going to slide this over our hand grip. It's going to do two things. It's going to protect your grip from getting chewed up by the unit itself, number one, and number two, it's going to provide a grippier surface for this iCruz to rest on. So now we're going to take this iCruz, we're going to open it up just a little bit like this. We're going to slide it over the top of that rubber pad that we just installed. Now we're going to crank this puppy down. So what's going to happen now is as you're riding down the highway and your throttle's open like this, you can simply push this down. It's going to make contact with your lever right here, and that's going to keep your throttle in that position. Now in emergency, you just twist it backwards and now it's released, not making any contact, or you can physically lift it up as well. Now this iCruz from Avon, it's on my website, manybikes.biz. You can order one of these and I will ship it directly to you, but this is a great way to get wrist relief while cruising down the highway on your Vettore 450. Again, this works on any motorcycle. Now I like it because I can simply transfer it from bike to bike super easily. And if you have hand guards on, I usually take rescue tape and wrap rescue tape a couple times around the grip, and then I don't have to remove my hand guard in order to install this piece onto the motorcycle. But because I'm doing my Barkbuster installation, I thought it was a great opportunity, a great time to show you the installation of the iCruz and show you how I have a relaxed hand while cruising down the highway on my throttle-by-cable motorcycle. Now, that's one of the things that I love about this machine is the simplicity of it. That's why I picked it up. It doesn't have tons of traction control options. It doesn't have all kinds of crazy things. It literally has everything off or everything on, and I love it. Anyway, iCruz from Avon, manybikes.biz. Check it out if you would like one of these for your motorcycle. All right, well here's the Vettore cruising down the highway, and the audio in my helmet went out, so I'm gonna have to do a little voiceover for this action right here. As you can see, I can use my finger, my index finger, and I can simply rotate this iCruz down. It pins against that brake lever, and I have ultimate cruising here, basically cruise control without having cruise control throttle lock right there. If I want to go faster, just crank my wrist and give it some more juice, and if I want to set that faster speed, I can use my index finger and set it in that location. Again, the tension on this can be adjusted by that screw there at the front, and this gives you ultimate wrist relief while cruising down the road. Now to turn it off completely, you just rotate that grip forward, it's going to touch the lever, and it's going to release the iCruz from its position, and it's going to allow you to maintain normal throttle response. I'm Kyle Bradshaw. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.